Get your free How to Hire the Best HVAC Contractor Guide courtesy of bestnavarrehvac.com. Remember to regularly service your HVAC air conditioning and HVAC heating system for maximum efficiency. Please call bestnavarrehvac.com to learn about qualifying for the stimulus bill $1,500 government rebate if you need a new green Energy Star HVAC system. bestnavarrehvac.com services Navarre, Gulf Breeze, Pensacola, Milton, and Pace. Get your free guide, make it a great day, and thanks for watching.